We'll guide you through how to fix AirPods not charging. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because then you can't go and use them if they haven't got any battery. So let's get in some different fixes you can try. First of all, what you want to try doing is making sure the case has got charge, because of course the AirPods use the case to go and charge. So what you need to do is go and plug the case in like so, and it should start glowing orange showing the case is charging and the AirPods should now be charging. If you aren't seeing that light there, then you can try using a different cable and adapter, and also go and check out the port. If there's debris in the port, that can go and stop it from charging. So go and clean it out with a soft brush, and you can then try charging it again and see if that solves the problem. The next thing we're going to try doing is performing a reset. This can potentially resolve problems with the case and also the AirPods themselves. So what you want to do is just go and open up the lid on the AirPods, double tap on the light like so, then double tap again, then double tap again. It will start flashing orange and it'll make a beeping sound, and they're resetting. Then what you can go and do is go and plug the AirPods back in, and you can go and see if they then go and charge. Give it some time. On your phone, you'll need to go and connect to them again, and then you can go and see if they've gone and charged. If they have, then great. If they still haven't though, then what you want to try doing is taking the AirPods out of the case like so. Make sure there's no dust or debris in there, so you can go and blow in there, or you can use a soft brush to go and remove anything off the connectors. Look on the AirPods themselves and on the connectors as well. Make sure there's no debris or anything on there which could stop them charging. You can then put them back in the case and give them another 10 minutes to go and charge, and hopefully then the problem will be solved.